Welcome to Mamponteng, the district capital of Kwabre East in Ashanti Region of Ghana. In this video, we take a look at the early stages of construction of the Kwabre East 24-hour economy market, one of the markets being developed under the government 24-hour economy initiative, being the National Democratic Congress, the NDC. From the aerial footage, foundation works have already commenced. Excavation has been carried out in sections of the site, while concrete foundations are being prepared for the future market structures. White settings outlines can also be seen across the site, indicating the layout of additional buildings and facilities planned for the project. Although the construction is still at an early stage, the site already shows clear signs of organized planning as workers prepare different sections for the next phase of development. When completed, the Kwabre East 24-hour economy market is expected to provide modern trading spaces for farmers, traders, artisans, and small businesses within the district. The market could improve access to agricultural produce, encourage local commerce, create employment and opportunities during and after constructions, and strengthen economic activities in Mamponteng and surrounding communities. A strategic location within the Kwabre East is also expected to make an important commercial hub, serving nearby towns while supporting the movement of goods and services across the district. This video documents the current state of the project and will serve as a reference for future progress updates as construction continues.